Hello everybody, Zachary here, and today I would like to have a relatively chill conversation with everybody in regards to the state of the markets and the economy, at least in the United States. A lot of people are freaking out right now. A lot of people, and a lot of freaking. Stock market is having the worst day in a long time. Lots of red, lots of losses. Feels like it's in free fall almost. And honestly, it's pretty much true for just about every other market out there, whether it's bonds, collectibles, soon to be real estate most likely with the rising rates. And I've seen several responses to the freaking out and the lots of red that we see. And according to the people who know a lot more than I do and have lived a little bit longer than I have, they're pretty optimistic about things. And I feel like I half agree with that. I do think that things will get better in the long run. But I'm less optimistic about short-term how bad things can get until the U-turn to the better. All that being said, I think that, at least based on my own experiences with things, is that this is not as bad as everyone is thinking it is, but it is not as good as everyone is hoping to be. It's probably going to be somewhere in the middle. But that middle ground has a lot of room for error and a lot of room to be still pretty rough. So basically for me, I'm trying to just stay the course, do what I can to keep going and mitigate the pain through more, how would you say, like psychological means or tricks, not looking at the portfolio and things like that, because I think, as I stated before, going forward we will come out of this, not unscathed perhaps, but we will come out of this. And the worst thing that at least I could do is make a rash decision to sell or buy and go all in or all out or whatever, and just make a mistake that way and get emotional. And that's one of the reasons why I wanted to just have this conversation and just remind everybody to just take a deep breath, calm down, and view things from a very logical and rational standpoint. Yes, the losses are painful. Yes, it could continue longer than people think. It could be deeper than people think. But unless something completely unpredictable happens, I think we're going to come out of this and start growing again, start rebuilding again. And no matter what happens, even if it is the end of the world, so to speak, I guess, because the world keeps turning. Life goes on. Life finds a way, if you will. And even if life as we know it is over and we completely change and aliens come down and invade or whatever, there'll still be a tomorrow, even if it's a tomorrow you don't like or don't want, but there is a tomorrow. So my advice to everybody, if I could even give any kind of advice, is just to stay strong, hold out, do what you can. do what you can to just to live to see tomorrow, basically. And yeah, that's about it.